Today's the day. We start building the last bookshelf today, and I'm so excited. So it's right here behind me. This is what I've been waiting for. It's been about 3 weeks since I moved in, and this is the most exciting part. So let's do it. Extension is done. Time for the big guy. So much easier to do with power tools. Shout out to my boyfriend for hooking it up. Least favorite part. I'm not. Son of a biznitchin'. The frickin' worst. I lied. This is my least favorite part. Ask me how many times I've whacked my fingers doing that. Every single nail. Dang it. I never want to build one of these ever again. Ta-da! Honestly, I might end this video here, have this be part 1, and then we're gonna make a part 2 of organizing all of this, because I need to clear off the shelves before I can put the shelves together. It's gonna be a whole thing. So I think, yeah, with that being said, here's phase 1 of the bookshelves. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me die trying to put these together. I'm so excited for this. This is like a dream of me having a full wall of bookshelves, you guys. I'm so excited. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!